Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone healthcare work from home job lead. If you have something specific in the healthcare industry you're looking for, leave that in the comments below, because healthcare can be anything from billing and cash posting to all different types of things. But today's healthcare job lead comes from the company Advent Health. Now, they have 2,000 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.9 out of 5-star rating. All the pages that I'm sharing in this video are linked in the YouTube description box below if you want to come read the reviews or get that application in. Now, the print on their page is tiny. I will try to get this blown up in editing as best that I can, but they are hiring a reconciliation specialist. This is remote work from home for my United States folks only. And so this is going to have to do with their cash posting process, posting transactions in the system. Advent Health's reconciliation department makes sure that the assigned cash and accounts receivables are properly stated by preparing periodic reconciliations of the accounts. So you'll ensure the process of receiving insurance payments and recording them to the patient accounts in an efficient and accurate process. So you will post or record payments from insurance companies into the account. Now, it also says you'll identify and track exceptions that occur with the remit to posting process. You'll research these exceptions and determine the appropriate resolution for these discrepancies that occur with the remit to posting process. Now, I do work in the healthcare industry in kind of the billing department. So one thing I can tell you about payment posting and reconciliation processes is some of your bigger insurance companies like Blue Cross Blue Shield or things like that, some hospitals get electronic payments and they automatically post into the system, but then you have to have somebody go through and manually check those, reconcile them, make sure that they posted correctly, and if something did not automatically post correctly, you have to go in and manually fix that. The flip side of that is you have smaller mom and pop insurance companies and they still send checks and things like that. It's not an automated direct deposit process, and so you will have to go into the system and actually post those payments and transactions to different patient accounts. So that's just a little bit of how the payment posting process works. Now, good note about this position, they only require a high school diploma or GED, somebody who has the ability to problem solve, be professional in their communication skills, and have great attention to detail. Now, they do prefer somebody who has cash posting experience for healthcare, but that is not required. So no actual experience is required for this. And of course, the actual pay was not listed in the job description. That will have to be discussed at the time of the interview, but I do try to find an estimate for you. And people are reporting that they've worked as a reconciliation specialist at Advent Health before, and they make anywhere from $48,000 a year all the way up to $51,000 a year. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for down in the comments below, because I do read those and keep that in mind. I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.